Welcome to this stunning top-floor condominium in Westlake Village. You're going to love the open and airy feel of this place. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the vaulted ceilings in the living room, giving the space a grand and spacious atmosphere. Check out this beautiful living area. The large sliding glass doors not only flood the room with natural light, but also lead out to your private patio, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or evening relaxation. And right next to it, you've got a separate dining area that flows seamlessly from the living room. It's ideal for entertaining or family dinners. Now let's take a peek at the kitchen. Isn't it a beauty? The vaulted ceilings continue in here, and that skylight adds even more brightness. The dark hardwood flooring throughout the unit gives it a really sleek, modern look. This condo boasts 2 bedrooms, and both are generously sized. The primary bedroom features a deep walk-in closet. Just look at all that storage space. And it comes with its own ensuite bathroom, complete with a standing shower. Here's a look at the second bedroom. It's got plenty of natural light and space for a guest room, home office, or whatever you need. And there's a hallway bathroom for your guests or family members to use. Remember that private patio I mentioned? Here it is. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day or do some container gardening if that's your thing. Now let me tell you about the awesome community amenities. You've got access to a pool, spa, and barbecue area. It's like living in a resort. And don't worry about parking. You get 2 covered carport spaces right below the unit. The location is fantastic too. You're in the heart of Westlake Village, close to upscale shopping, great restaurants, and top-rated schools. So what do you think? This place has it all: space, style, and convenience. Ready to call it home?